Well, I'm trying to get another video out for you guys, and this is mostly a short one just saying, hey, I got the Beetle on the road. This was the very first time that it moved on its own power under with me. I got it and the motor was seized, and so the motor has been running well, and I'm pretty happy with it. Again, I'm going to try to get a few more. I've got a bunch of video I've done. I'm going to be working on the body here right away, so that'll be, if you're interested in that, you can follow me along that way. So anyways, again, like and subscribe, and follow along. It should be a good time. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this next little section.
Here we go, the maiden voyage of Walter's Beetle. So far, so good. Anything you got to say, Mr. Beetle Builder?
We're on the road!
Woo!
And it's feeling good.
Look at us go! Ooh, that clumped.
Yeah. That's mostly operator error.
Congratulations, honey. Farther than the 28 ever got.
Yeah, we've got like double the mileage that we ever did on the 28.
That's right.
Yeah, it went further than what my 1928 ever went. Apparently, the guy who has my 1928 got real excited about it. He poured a bunch of money into it, but got it put another motor into it. He didn't actually rebuild the one that was with it, but he actually put a different motor into it. And he couldn't be. He takes it for coffee every day. He couldn't be happier, and I couldn't be happier for him. I'm very happy that he got that going. This 71 Beetle has been a lot of fun so far. It's been great to get it going. I made a ton of mistakes trying to get to the work done, but that doesn't matter. It's all the journey. If you can't have joy in the journey, don't go on it. Don't go. Don't pick that as a destination. You know, people who are only about the satisfaction of the final product miss the journey, and they're going to be disappointed most of their life. I deal with a lot of people that want immediate gratification, immediate satisfaction, immediate pleasure, immediate self-fulfillment, whatever it is. They want it immediately, want it now, and I fear that we may be even raising our kids a little bit that way. There is joy in the journey. If you're not having joy in the journey, stop it. Don't do it anymore. Because it's not doing you any good, and I guarantee the people around you, it's not doing them any good either. Find something that you can have joy in the journey with. And as you do it, you can find satisfaction. I've been having some good satisfaction with this Beetle. I went to a drive-in with my bride, and that was just a real wonderful experience. Had a little FM radio that we had to crank up. You'll notice that when the battery goes dead, you got to crank it. Let's see. And we were watching a movie, and every once in a while, that would just get real quiet, and we would have to. There, you can hear it. Anyway, we had to, you know, and literally, I almost felt like I needed to put a tinfoil hat on as I was holding that so I can get the signal, because we were only about 25 yards away from where it was being transmitted, but that little radio had a hard time picking it up. But we had a lot of fun, and we were laughing as we were having to crank it. Everybody else had these $3,000 or $4,000, enough $30,000 or $40,000 rigs, and there we were sitting with our Beetle. One of the good things is that when I turned my lights off, they stayed off, where everybody else is having some real challenges with that. Anyway, the joy in the journey, and we just had a lot of fun with that. So I'm starting into stage 2, and there's going to be videos coming up here. I'm going to be working on cutting the rust out and trying to replace some of the rusty parts. I'm going to be learning how to weld with a MIG welder. I've done a little bit of arc welding back in the day, and I'm talking 30 years ago. So I've had very limited welding experience between then and now, and so I'm going to be learning how to do a little bit of MIG welding and just playing with that. People tell me it's way easier than arc, and so I'm looking forward to that. So, yeah, but hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be sermonizing a few more times as we go along here, but my final comment is find something you like, take some joy in the journey, and quit belly aching about everything that's not working for you, okay? Take some joy. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.